This is the weekly check on the Hungry bin. The mites have been getting way out of hand, so I have been putting baits all week. Well, not just the mites, it's the beetles and their larvae as well. It's been getting way out of hand because I neglected it for so long because we were gone. So what can you do? Just try and take care of it as I can. And all right, so I had it harvested on a few days ago, and I'm just checking up here to see if they've eaten. I don't know if you can see here. See if I can lift that up a little bit. The worms are in the middle. They're doing well. There is food left. Well, obviously all the hardcore stuff that takes a long time to break down. Oh, looky. Somebody came along for the ride. But they're looking very good. Instead of tossing it up, well, actually I probably should tossle it up a little bit just to get the dry stuff, let's see, mixed in with the wet stuff. It's just dry around the edges where there was no bubble wrap. Just what I want to do because this bin is way too wet. And that's probably one of the reasons why there's so many mites. But there's also lots of worms too, so I can't begrudge anything. Alright, so I'm gonna stick, I don't know if I can do this here with this. Let's see. I don't have my big tripod out, but I'll see what I can do with this little one that I have out here. Oops. Doesn't want to stay, and it probably won't stay either. But anyway, here's my stick. It's just an end of a broomstick. Oh. Let's see if I can lift this up a little bit without it hurting too much. Oh, there. I hear a void being filled at the bottom. This is what needs to be done every time after a harvest, and I don't, ugh, just to make sure that things are broken or filling the void at the bottom. Ugh. It's weird, you can kind of feel where the holes are at the bottom of the bin. And I did hear a plop when I first did this. See if I feel any other hole in the bottom. So now I should be about done. Okay, I think I'm about done. I'm sure there's still a little void down there. Hopefully it'll get filled just from gravity over the course of this next month. I think that's good. Alright, since there's still a bunch of food here, oh look at this, this was I think this was the bread. Alright. Since there's still some food in here, I am not going to feed them, but I am going to put some dry bedding down as well as moist bedding. So in essence, I am giving them food. Alright, let's put the dry bedding down first. Okay, let's see. Actually there's plenty of food for the worms to eat. I'm talking greens. Putting some dry bedding down. Because actually they did go through it pretty good. And let's see. To put some moist bedding down as well. And I'm going to continue to bait this for red mites, but that will be on a different video, and that's about it. Okay, now I am going to put my usual neem seed meal on the top. And diatomaceous earth. Oop. Put a good sprinkling of it. I refilled this container, so putting a good sprinkling of this. Okay. Good enough. And plastic back on there. That's it for this week, and thank you for coming on this journey with me.